हेलो गाइस, नमस्ते एवरीवन। आपका एसएससी स्टेनो सक्सेस मंत्रा में आपका स्वागत है। गाइस, अभी कुछ दिन पहले डीआरडीओ स्टेनोग्राफी का रिजल्ट आया था। तो मैंने डीआरडीओ के लिए आपके लिए डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की तैयार की है। आप इसे लिखिए और रिस्पॉन्स दीजिए, और एज वेल एज इसके साथ साथ आप सब्सक्राइब एंड इसमें लाइक कीजिए। आपको अप टू डेट डीआरडीओ से रिलेटेड सारी की सारी जानकारी आपको प्रोवाइड होती रहेगी टाइम टू टाइम। तो आर यू रेडी गाइज? 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. The DRDO was established in 1958 by amalgamating the Defense Science Organization and some of the technical development establishments. A separate department of defense research and development was formed in 1980, which later on administered DRDO and its 50th laboratories establishments. Most of the time of defense research development organization was treated as if it was a vendor, and the army headquarters of the air headquarters were the customers, because the army and the air force themselves did not have any design or construction responsibility. They tended to treat the designer or Indian industry at par with their corresponding designer in the world market. If they could get a MiG 21 from the world market, they wanted a MiG 21 from DRDO. DRDO started its first major project in surface to air missiles bracket SAM bracket close, known as Project Indigo, in 1960s. Indigo was discontinued in later years without achieving full success. Project Indigo led to Project Devil along with Project Valiant to develop short range SAM and ICBM in the 1970s. Project Devil itself led to the later development of the Prithvi missile under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program under bracket IGMDP bracket close in the 1980s. IGMDP was an Indian Ministry of Defense program between the early 1980s and 2007 for the development of a comprehensive range of missiles, including the Agni missile, Prithvi ballistic missile, Akash missile, Trishul missile, and Nag missile. In 2010, Defense Minister A.K. Antony ordered the reconstructing of the DRDO to give a major boost to defense research in the country and to ensure effective participation of the private sector in defense technology. The key measures to make DRDO effective in its functioning, including the establishment of a Defense Technology Commission with the Defense Minister as its chairman. The programs, which were largely managed by the DRDO, have seen considerable success, with many of the systems seeing rapid development as well as yielding significant technology benefits. Since its establishment, DRDO has created other major systems and critical technologies such as aircraft avionics, UAVs, small arms, artillery systems, EW systems, tanks and armored vehicles, sonar systems, command and control systems, and missile systems. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO bracket under IAST रस्का अनुसंधान एवं विकास संगठन is an agency of the government of India charged with the military's research and development, headquartered in Delhi, India. It was formed in 1958 by the merger of the Technical Development Establishment and the Directorate of Technical Development and Production of the Indian Ordnance Factories with the Defence Science Organization. It is under the administrative control of the Ministry of Defence, Government of India, with a network of 52 laboratories which are engaged in developing defense technologies covering various fields like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, land combat, engineering, life sciences, materials, missiles, and naval systems. DRDO is India's largest and most diverse research organization. The organization includes around 5,000 scientists belonging to the Defense Research and Development Service bracket DRDS bracket close, and about 25,000 other scientific, technical, and DRDO cooperates with the state-owned Ordnance Factories Board for producing its items. This have led to issues of marginal quality control for some items and time consuming rectification. फुल स्टॉप। ये 512 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशंस है, तो आप इसको लिखिए, इसको TC करके मुझे रेस्पॉन्स देना।
निकाल प्लीज, थोड़ी सी निकाल, एक दो निकाल।